What is tort law? Tort law is a legal area that covers many civil cases. Generally, any claim from a civil court, other than a contract dispute, falls under the tort law. The legal concept of harassment is to redress the wrongs done to a person and to provide relief from the wrong actions of others, often by offering financial damages as compensation. The primary purpose of the abuse is to provide full compensation for proven risks. Tort law can be split into three categories: negligent torts, intentional torts, and strict liability torts. Neglected abuse is harm done to people by the failure of another to care for a certain level, which is often described as a proper level of care. Accidents are a common example of reckless abuse. Intentional harassment is harm caused by intentional misconduct, such as assault, fraud, and theft. Violations of a strong legal obligation, unlike negligence and intentional harassment, do not concern the offender of the perpetrator. Rather, such situations focus on the act itself. When a person or company commits a certain act, for example, to produce a defective product, that person or company is liable for the damage done, regardless of the level of care performed or their intentions.